box me out, they biting on me like Mike Tyson. Ain't nothing to kick a door down, go and run down on my rival. I'm running red lights, I'm coming through, I got a piper. Ain't nothing to lay a towel down and bust on the cycle. I promise I'd never lie to a bitch, I really listen. You know these niggas gotta die like Jackson, but I'm
I gotta take the time to acknowledge how good I look today, cause last video I was looking buzzed, boy, I ain't gonna lie. But what it is, y'all boys, I'm at the shop right now, vibing, you feel me? 2023 530. It's me and you today, baby. Back in, man. Ooh, homie. Your plug-in got him. Your plug-in got him. Your plug-in got him. Eliante, that's him. And we got the wake and bake.
You feel me? No, I'm gonna take him for the trip.
Fish bowl.
No, I'm gonna take him.
New arrival, bro. We don't do no hand-me-downs. Got the cat in the front. Got that cat, homie. Got that, 63 in the back, Feel me? We got that wake and bake going on. You know, me and Eliante, they leave us together. We on some young and reckless-ish, you heard me? But for real though, me and Eliante, we finna put the track on, finna drive that bit. Yeah. Don't try to drive how we drive it, cause our depot unlimited. We cover that. Don't try to drive like us.
We know how to do this shit.
Yeah.
Don't try this shit at home.
We don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
It look like I'm at a doctor's appointment. Got the Checker place. Got a new car in there. We bought a personal too. Gotta get the personal whip checked too. Back at the spots. Oh, them boys took the plans down. Them boys try to switch the spot up. Maybe because I gave up the look last time. Them boys took the plans down, y'all boys. I'm sizzy right now. Damn, should I even put background music? It's so boring out here.
Dang. That's tough.
Behind that door right there. Stay fat backs in there, homie. There's not real water for me now. Well, I'm on point this time. Thank you very much. Yeah. No shot cup. My whole own water bottle. Poor sad, nigga. Eliante, man, you ain't want no water, bro? Nope.
Y'all that space right there, lady. Now you don't want to go that way. Yo.
Man in the plot. Get out the way.
Our guys don't come in the road right now.
I'm just here for the ride. Fuck it. Dumbass. Eliante trying to make it, so they been at the Checker place all day.
4 hours.
All day at the Checker place, bro. Not try this at home, kids. Done by a professional driver. We giving L his own POV today. Where the fuck everybody going? Back at the shop. Well, we've been at that Checker spot all day, kid. Don't do no flagging now. I see that. Yeah. We don't give a fuck if there was twin sisters, you heard me? You know, it'd be triplets, but then there's always that outcast, you feel me? So we had triplets, but there's always gonna be that outcast.
Hey, you got 530 payment? You got 530 payment?
You got that money? Gotta pay up. Gotta pay up. Nigga about to roll up that Zaz right now. Better be Zaz. You can keep the shit. I don't never do shit at work. I'm behind the counter on some. Yo, what type of rental you trying to grab? Are you trying to grab the Bugatti? 20 bands a day.
Okay.
Depot 100 racks. You asked for the Bugatti, right? Yeah, we got that. Insurance. I need your mom insurance. I need your dad insurance. Your grandpa insurance. I need your grandma insurance. I say your grandma already. Oh no, yeah, boys. I'm renting out to a bus store. Hell, get out the way. You see the bus store right there. So he trying to grab the Gotti. So
You trying to get his great grandma insurance?
I'm trying to get great grandma insurance. Everything. Hold on, y'all, boys. 20 bands a day. 100 racks Depot. You're not leaving 100 racks. You feel me?
What do you mean by that?
Y'all boys see, y'all see, boo. Gotta show them boys a GT. Got the shop moving cars around. What? Eliante. When these cars around, that's one thing about this shit. This should be like one big ass game. You gotta keep parking and unparking these cars and shit. There's so much fucking cars to do this for. Wait. What driver status? I could do this shit in one go, but I got this fucking camera in my hand. Okay, real driver status. Real driver status. You know, we got them fat bags. You know, we got them fat bags out there. See that boy? You see the cassette? What it is, y'all boys? So we closed up at the shop. We wrapped it up over there. I'm back to backing them things, though. We back to backing them things. Fat bags, you feel me? I'm in that 6J right now. Hold on, let me, just so y'all know. We ain't pump faking out here, niggas in the fat bag. It's hard to shift and vlog at the same time. That shit crazy. Oh my god. Bro, I hate being in a fast car and everybody around me driving slow. Or do that mean I'm just going too fast for them? Like, which one? Like, y'all tripping, like. Just a little thing for y'all, boys. Just a little pull for y'all. That's that 6J. That's what that 6J do.